Twist a 5-finger wide bubble. Make a bear ear knot. Twist another 5-finger wide bubble. Make a bear ear knot. Twist 2 more 5-finger wide bubbles. Now we have a total of 4 5-finger wide bubbles. Wrap the red ball nozzle around the barrier knots. Twist a 6-finger wide bubble, wrapping around the other barrier knots. Twist another 6-finger wide single bubble. Finally, twist a 7-finger wide bubble, wrapping around the bear ear knots. Let's make a little nose. Wrap the 2 ends of the balloon around the bear ear knots on each side. Wrap the black ball nozzle around a bear ear knot. Make 2 small round bubbles. Wrap it around the nose, so the nose becomes round. Twist 2 more small round bubbles, wrapping around the bear ear knots. Inflate the 5-inch round balloon. Draw eyes, write the letter, and you're done.